Hey, welcome back to Cal's Barn. This is going to be a real short video today. When I first started welding on the sheet metal and dealing with welding magnets, I came up with my own solution for cleaning them before I saw anything on YouTube. So the things I've seen on YouTube that made some sense was, one of them was using the air tool, and just blowing them off. That's okay, except now you've got your particles all over your shop. The other method was a wire brush. I think it was a stainless steel brush. That's great if you have a stainless steel brush and if you don't mind scratching up your magnets. Another one was putting a piece of plastic, I believe, over it and then using another magnet. I suppose that works too. But let me show you what I do. Here's one small magnet and got some metal particles here. So I'll go pick some up, show you what I've got here. Pretty bad. There's a toothbrush. Take that over there, rub it a couple times, work your way around. Once around, and it's clean. And that works just as well if I have a bunch of them. There's 3 of them together. I just do the same thing, put them all together, work my way around. Once around usually does it. Worst case, maybe twice around. And there we go. They're cleaned up. That one's a little messy because it's been melted when I got too close with the welder, but all the metal particles are gone. And if you're worried about, well, those are small magnets, what about a big one? There's a bigger magnet. I've now filled with it. And again, that's 90% gone. We'll clean the rest off there. There you go. That's clean. 100%, maybe not. Certainly good enough to use again. So there you go. That's it, guys. That's my favorite way to clean off welding magnets.